we're gonna make it. Made it to the beach. Yes! Finally. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay. Got a little selfie stick there, do you? I guess you do. Let's see. Does that work like that? Okay, well, there you go. So I guess I'm going to be walking with mine, but I usually flip mine around on the other side. And I'm staying here in this cozy Chaweng beach hotel, and I'm going to walk through the mall, and this gets me to the street. And this mall is there's some restaurants, some shops. It looks like it's going to rain quite a bit here soon too. And it's Christmas, as you can tell from the music. And what I'm going to try to do is just walk right to the beach from here to the resorts. So from my hotel, which is directly next to, it's really quiet right now. It feels quiet. SAMUI. Okay. Alright, so we're going to try to walk to the resort areas and see the beach and see how quiet it might be on this day that looks like it's going to rain a lot. I just extended my stay today too. I thought I could do some more filming, but I might not be able to if it's raining. Can I go this way? Around like that? Okay, I have to go around. Okay, so we're at the Central Festival Mall. I started to walk towards the beach. It was raining extremely hard, so I came back, ate at this MK restaurant here, and then we're gonna go back down again, and we're gonna try to go to the beach again. So now it's try number 2. Okay, so we're walking down one of the main drags here in Chaweng. Straight ahead you can see a Burger King, McDonald's way down at the end of the corner there. And lots of construction here, lots of activity. Let's see. They were telling me that I could try to get to the beach another way. I'm going to try to find that way now. Okay, we're going to walk by some more construction. I was trying to get through there, and they said, no, you have to keep walking down this way. So basically, Koh Samui is filled with quite a bit of construction and resorts. There's also a lot of these guys who try to selling stuff too. Yeah, it's okay. I'm just walking. So, okay. Actually, that's a pretty big taste of Koh Samui so far. Hello. So we're gonna try to find this access to the water. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's a gym, Burger King. And soon we're gonna get to the water access. So. Yeah, actually, some of the touts, they're aggressive. That one too. That lady was just like something. Is this gonna be another private property? It's gonna say no. Probably. Can I walk through there? Private? Where's there a place where it's not private where I can walk to the water? Do I have to go down further? Oh. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, so man, trying to get to the water through here is hard. All the resorts own it, so they all say the word private on it. And then when you're walking around, man, there's all these touts, you know, like usually they're not Thai, they're from India or somewhere, and they're like aggressive too. So actually when I was just walking by the other one, that lady, that guy was like, he said, "You want this?" And the guy said, "No." And there's only so much money available to go around, you know, so. Hello. So anyways, now we're like quite far from the, I just don't know how to get in there. But you're getting a pretty good view of the city anyways. I think I might be able to go, there's a library here. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try it this way. Library. So yeah, so I just talked to this one guy. I was trying to get through it over that way, and I said, "Can I go through here to the ocean?" He's like, "No, private." Okay, where do I gotta go? And he says 10 minutes. So everybody just keeps pushing it down here, and I was like, "How does anybody go to the ocean here?" It's like I have to walk up and down this road for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and then you go over there, and it's like, yeah. Anyways, we'll just keep doing it. It's kind of making me not want to come back to Koh Samui. I did get to the ocean yesterday. I went through one of the resorts and I didn't say anything. It was the only way to get in. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna walk through this resort, and I'm sure that I'm not supposed to go through this, but all the other resorts said no, so they didn't say no, they didn't say yes. I just following this other lady who must know how to get to the water. So I am very thankful that I can get to the ocean today. Dang, what's the point of being... Yeah, this is how Koh Samui's changed quite a bit, because years ago, none of these resorts were here. When I first arrived, I was just on a bungalow on the beach, and the bungalow was like $1.50 a night. And this wasn't like this at all. Now it's like all the resorts buy up all the stuff, and then the commercial vendors, a bunch of people from other countries that are quite aggressive. Thai people are great, but like, man, where do you even see the Thai people? Anyways, we're gonna walk through here, try to get to the beach. But yeah, all these resorts have water, have pools, so we're gonna walk through it to the end, and then we're gonna explore the beach. Almost there. So we'll walk. Okay. Hello. I think we're gonna make it. Made it to the beach. Yes! Finally. Oh, man. So we're gonna follow this beach and go all the way down. And then we also have this side as well. Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Keep